Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make a jalapeno steak omelet in the air fryer oven. And just for the future reference, just remember omelet is something that you can have at night, in the morning, whenever you want. It's one of those meals where you can just put something together real quick and bingo, you have an omelet. So I'm gonna show you how to make that. And if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and check out the links below. Okay, all right, so let's get started on our omelet. Okay, all right, here we go. Okay, so what I have here is 3 eggs that I already broke out of the shell. So we're going to just mix that up. Okay, so now we're going to add our ingredients. This is jalapeno peppers. I put it in a food processor and grind it up, and this is onions. So I'm going to put like a teaspoon full of jalapenos and a teaspoon of onions. And we'll see how that looks in a minute. Mix that in. You know, jalapenos is hot, so you don't want to put a whole bunch unless you really like it extremely hot. Okay. So now I would like to add some sour cream. Sour cream is optional. You don't have to add sour cream. If you don't like sour cream, don't add it. So I'm putting a teaspoon of sour cream. We'll mix that in. Sour cream gives you vitamin B12. Okay, now we're going to add some milk. Let's just put like a tablespoon of milk. Okay. And we're going to add some salt and pepper. Kosher salt. Black pepper. I think I also want to add some garlic. Ground garlic. Just a little. Now remember, seasonings is your choice. Okay. Now we're going to add the steak. I have steak here already cut up. I cooked a T-bone steak in a previous setting. You can go check that out. And now we got cheddar cheese. Let's do 2 hands full of that. We'll save the balance for the top. So at this point we're all set. I already have some melted margarine, smart margarine in here in this pan. So we're using a 9-inch cake pan. So let's pour the omelet into the pan. Make sure you distribute the meat all around so it's not in one spot. Okay. Alright, so let me let me spread this meat some more. Okay. So let me let you take a look at that. See? Okay. So now we're going to put it in the air fryer oven. Turn it on. We're on 370. That's good. And we got 15 minutes. Let's take this down to 10 and give that a shot. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay, so we have 4 minutes left on our omelet. I'd like to add the cheese on the top at this point. Let me let you see how it's looking so far. You can see it's not done. Okay, the eggs are still runny. Okay, let's put that back in and continue, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we're coming up on our last minute of cooking on the omelet. I hope your day is doing well. And I already said Happy Mother's Day the other day on a taping, but let me say that again. The word of the day. Happy Mother's Day. Please do something for your mother, okay? And if you miss Mother's Day, it's never too late. Go ahead out and do something now, even if it's nothing but go and hug her and let her know how much you love her, or take her out, or cook her a cake or something, okay? That's the word of the day. Alright, let's check on our omelet. It's ready now. There's the off word. Okay, let's take a look. Wow, look at that. Nice and fluffy looking. You see that? Wow. Okay. And let me take a picture with the omelet, if I can. Here we go. Wait a minute, let me hold it like this. How about that, huh? Good job. Okay. Okay, so let me take a taste. Wow. Look at that. How about that, huh? Okay, let's taste and see how it tastes. Here we go. Mmm. You know, that steak was from a T-bone steak that I had cooked earlier. Nice and tender. Oh, it really, really tastes good. Okay, let me finish chewing and give you my final conclusion. Okay?